words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds get caught up in each other. Quiet voices in the night. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.